So my dear friends, I am really happy to welcome you all to Don Bosco Promotion House this morning. This year we are indeed privileged to host this general body meeting of Bosco, South Asia. This is a happy thing that conference and the collaborators of different provinces to come together and to share their experiences and their method they used in the field and to plan out the various strategies for the challenging world of today. By Father Eugene Dixon and his team, I wish all the success for this event. And so, dear friends, in the name of Father Provincial, Father George Michael, Father Joy, the Economer, and all of us here in the Provincial House,